All right, now it's our high frequency word lesson 31. Let's read our first sentence. One shoe is missing. Our first high frequency word is shoe. That's what you wear on your feet. Let's read our next sentence. Here we go. Ready? She took a piece of paper. Our second high frequency word is piece. This kind of piece means one part. Our last sentence, let's read it. Ready? He spent his money at the fair. Our last high frequency word is money. You use money to buy things. Excellent. Now, let's read our high frequency words. Ready? Shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Piece. P-I-E-C-E, piece. Money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Four. F-O-U-R, four. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Ms. Capital M-S period, Ms. Busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. Guess. G-U-E-S-S, guess. True. T-R-U-E, true. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Built. B-U-I-L-T, built. Mrs. Capital M-R-S period, Mrs. Buy. B-U-Y, buy. Whose. W-H-O apostrophe S, whose. Build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Piece. P-I-E-C-E, peace. Mr. Capital M-R period, Mr. Hour. H-O-U-R, hour. Miss. Capital M-I-S-S, miss. Whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. Whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. I. E-Y-E-I. Month. M-O-N-T-H, month. Shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Excellent job. Now let's go to our spelling. We're going to spell some high frequency words. Our first high frequency word that we're going to spell is change. And I hear a ch at the beginning of that. So that's a C. Hold on, remember this is hard to do. C H is a ch. Ang. J. Remember, a G with an E after it says J. Our next word is only. Own. And then we have a ly. Ly says ly at the end. Remember, this one is an L, an N. It likes to do that. Here we go. Our next word is even. E V N. Even. That one we can sound out. And says. So if I remember how to spell say, and then I put an S at the end and it says says. Oh my goodness. We'll put an A right there. Says, and that says O, and it should say another S at the end. All right. Does not like me today. Says. There we go. Good job on our high frequency words today.